the technical glitch. We are back again. Let's do the round 2. Let's tie our eye bands. Same way, start recording your video and have a pen and paper so that you can write down whatever appears in your third eye. Make sure your eye band is removed only at the end of the Mahavakya. When Mahavakya stops playing, you can remove your eye band and verify authentically the whole thing. And make sure your video is clearly recorded. Now let's sit straight with the head, neck and spine in a straight line. Remember Bhagwan in your third eye. Absolute unclutching from your STHT and complete completion from your denial, self-denial and self-hatred. The hate speech which is going on as impossible, as complaint, as this is not for me, whatever is going on, the words which are only by the mind, which is all the hate speech. Just complete with that, doesn't have anything to do with your inner space, which is so powerful, which you can create and manifest as reality. Ferociously break the boredom and tiredness, have the will persistence that you are Paramashiva. The space that you declare as Paramashiva is your only space, and you will manifest beautifully as the higher cognition. So please tie your eye bands and start chanting the Mahavakya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Start vibrating intensely with the Mahavakya, which raises your frequency to manifest the higher reality. Now, make sure your videos are on and your eye band is tied very tight, nicely, so that the light does not touch your eyes. So clearly, now sit straight. Remember Bhagwan in your third eye. Again and again, connect to Bhagwan, chanting the Mahavakya. Contemplate on the great truth that Bhagwan has given and chant the Mahavakya, Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Now we'll be projecting the sentence and playing the Mahavakya, and let's start. Please tie your eye bands.
Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Nityananda Paramashivoham Om 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 Nityananda Paramashivoham Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham Nityananda Paramashivoham Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om 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 Nityananda Paramashivoham. Nityananda Paramashivoham. Om 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 Nityananda Paramashivoham.
Beautiful. You can remove your eye bands and let's see what beautifully Bhagavan has revealed. The third eye Paramashiva has revealed. And make sure if you're part of the Paramashivam program, please go ahead and upload in the HTH Bhagavan Nityananda Parameswaram page, the videos that you have recorded, the photos that you have taken. And if you are in the Facebook, YouTube, or Nityananda TV, please upload in tinyurl.com/power manifestation and other social media. Power manifestation does not end with just manifesting powers, but it raises into the reality when you share and cause others reality. The beautiful space that you have now manifested as powers has become reality. The cognition, the desire becoming the cognition is a beautiful process. When you just internalize the first step, then you manifest powers, your understanding happens. When you share with the world, it becomes a reality. You becomes cognition in your space, and it becomes liberation when you cause others for higher reality. So please go ahead and share always all the videos and photos and whatever you have manifested in tinyurl.com/power manifestation. With that, let's surrender all this power manifestation to Bhagwan's lotus feet, whether you manifested or not manifested anything. Again and again, surrender to Bhagwan's lotus feet, and with a deep gratitude and seeking, ask Bhagwan that Paramashiva is your space. It has to become a reality, and simply start manifesting as reality. Again and again, connect to Bhagwan and thank Bhagwan, and let's sit straight, visualize in our third eye, Bhagwan in our third eye, and end this with a Purna mantra. Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purna Purnamudashyate Purnasya Purnamataya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om Tat Sat Sarvam Bhagavate Sri Nityananda Parameswaram Padaka Arpanamastu. Om Nityanandam. All of you, make sure you are in a courtyard session to manifest, to get initiated into the higher cognitions and manifest all the powers. Nityanandam.
I bless you all.